Hello friends, this is Munjan Vishwas and welcome Vishwas Healthy Life. Today I want to share my own experience how I have improved my English. Basically, English is a language. We cannot learn it separately, just like grammar separately, vocab separately, and word pronounce separately. So we have to learn it jointly. There are 5 steps that will very helpful to improve our English. That is LSRWNT: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Then if we are very eager to improve our English, then we have to make a habit, do these 5 steps. And one thing I want to mention, when we pronounce a word individually, just like a, we pronounce a. When it pronounce in a sentence, we pronounce a. Same thing, just like th is the definite article. When we pronounce in normally we pronounce the. When it comes in front of vowel sound, we pronounce the. Same thing, there is a website, that is shabdkosh.com, where we can improve our word pronunciation. So now I am reading a story and I will identify every word. Is it noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, what is it? So now I am reading the story and we will learn how to learn English jointly. The clever frog, that is definite article. Clever frog, clever, that is adverb, that is positive degree of adjective. Frog, that is common noun. It was a hot day. It, that is personal pronoun. Was, that is verb to be. A hot day. Hot, that is indefinite article. Hot, that is positive degree of adjective. Day, that is common noun. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. The sun was shining, that is past continuous thing. The sun was shining brightly, that is adverb manner. In the sky, in, that is preposition. That shows where sun is shining. A little frog was jumping here and there. That is indefinite article. A little frog was jumping here and there. That is indefinite article. Little, that is positive degree of adjective. Frog was jumping, that is past continuous tense. Here and there. Here, that is adverb place. Here and there, and that is cumulative conjunctions. Next, he was feeling very hot and tired. He was feeling, that is again past continuous. He was feeling very hot and tired. Next, suddenly he saw a pond filled with water. Suddenly, that is adverb manner. He saw, that is simple past. He saw a pond filled with water. Water, that is material noun. He quickly jumped into it. He quickly, that is third person singular. He, personal pronoun. He quickly, that is adverb manner, jumped into it. Into, that is preposition. Mostly into used when thing or person in motion, we use into. So as we have observed, I have identified every word. Is it noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, what is it? So in this way we can improve our English, and this is very useful technique which I have used to improve my English. So please like, share and subscribe this channel to update, get updated new video.